Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. I've got this giant tall pallet of health and beauty products, and so we're going to actually go through quite a few of these boxes, show you what's in there, and tell you exactly how you can acquire these health and beauty products. Health and beauty products, you know, are really expensive, but it's everything kind of in that section of the store. So sometimes we end up with some weird random stuff in these boxes, so let's find out what we got. All right, box numero uno. Oh, nice. We've got brushes. We've got curling irons. We've got, this is like a hair dryer brush. So it's a brush and an air dryer. And then we have
another hair dryer.
Mm-hmm. Makeup.
Oh, look at that. That's a good kit.
Body lotion.
It's got a little damage there, but
yeah,
not bad. That's probably why it's in liquidation.
Probably. Look at that hair dryer.
And that little cut in the box right there is enough to say, nope, gotta go liquidation.
And a pink one.
Yep.
So
looks like a forklift damage.
Yes, it does. All right. That's actually a really good box.
How are you going to acquire these items, though?
Oh, that's a good question, Paul. We're going to show you how to acquire these items. You're going to be able to buy these. I'm going to make a listing on hookedonpickin.com. You go to the mystery box section and you can buy them. 5 items will cost you $15. 10 items will cost you $25. 15 items will cost you $35. 20 items will cost you $45. And we may come across some expired items. All right. If they're expired, we half price everything. So you will still get 5 items, but you'll get it at $7.50. 10 items, you'll get it $12.50. 15 items, you'll get it $17.50. And 20 items, you'll get it $22.50. And the option is you'll get to go on hookedonpickin.com. You'll find Health and Beauty Mystery Box. Once you find the Health and Beauty Mystery Box, you can choose your size. 5, 10, 15, 20, or expired 5, 10, 15, 20 items. And so we'll have those already pre-built. You'll purchase one and you may get what you see me unbox here. It could have a hair dryer. It could have health and beauty like lotions, makeups, medicines. Let's keep going and seeing what else we can find.
We did this on a live stream. It went very well.
Everybody wanted a box.
A month ago?
Yes.
Yeah, that was like one of the boxes.
This was one of the boxes,
That was one of the boxes.
Let me show you.
So this was a 10-item expired box.
So this would have cost you $12.50. So this is kind of how we just build them based on the size of the items. So you could get a 10-items box that's taller, shorter, you know, depending on what's in here. So this is all the things that were in here. So we got some turmeric. We got Glad Force Flex trash bags. We got some bath bombs. We got ZzzQuil. So like, trash bags obviously don't expire.
Right, but the box was damaged. Right. So that's why I think they put that in there.
Yeah, so we'll do box damage or expired in here, but the product is still good.
These are good bath bombs, but the lid was cracked. See that there?
Yep.
Yeah.
So we got some ZzzQuil. This is actually a really nice set. So this is brand new shadow sticks. So sometimes it'll even have brand new product in there, just to make sure we get up to that 10 items. I don't think that this one has any hair colors.
I think all the hair dye is gone.
Yeah, all the hair dye is gone. So you will not get a hair dye in any of your boxes from here on out. So then we've got creatine. So just like a really nice example of what the box. So this was a 10 items expired box. I'm glad actually we had that sitting up there.
Yeah, that was kind of nice.
Yeah.
Wasn't it?
Oh my, this is a very heavy box. What's in here? Oh, this is all like pre-bagged. We've got sunscreen, we've got some Sun Bum, and some tanning lotion. We've got CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser, foaming oil. We've got lotion, Eucerin lotion, Sun In hair lightener. We've got some Tresemme shampoo. This is sandalwood.
Sandalwood.
Dove Men in Care.
And what is that? Cardamom
body wash.
Oil?
Yeah.
Cardamom oil?
Yeah.
I've never heard of that before.
It's a body wash. And then we've got this is facial toner. Nivea skin firming lotion. So just this will be kind of what you're looking at, possibly getting.
And it's the fun mystery of it
So
all.
like this here, this would go in an expired box because the pump doesn't work.
Yeah.
But there's absolutely nothing wrong with the product, just the pump doesn't work. So, and then this one too, this would go in an expired one because the crack in the lid, but it literally still seals. So that'll give you kind of an idea, but this will go perfectly in one of your normal 10 item ones. So all of this stuff would go in a normal box. So again, you can buy 5 items for $15, 10 items for $25.
15 for $35 and 20 items for $45. If you want to get the expired items, that's half off. So 5 items for $7.50, 10 items for $12.50, 15 items for $17.50, and 20 items for $22.50.
All right, here's another box. Oh, look at this one. This one's got really nice makeup brushes. We've got some eyelashes, lots of nail kits, cuticle remover. Oh, just so you know, if you buy a $15 box, you're going to get more than $15 worth in the box. Okay. That is one thing that we make sure that we do, is we always give you more than the value that you paid for the box. So just so you're
also aware. A lot of these items you can also find on hookedonpickin.com.
Yep. We've got a bunch of these Burt's Bees, different balms, mascara.
So if you're just wanting one of the individual items, a lot of times it's already there.
Yeah, go to Health and Beauty. You'll probably find a lot of these like Burt's Bees types of things, because if it's been on Hooked on Pickin before, we'll go ahead and relist it there too. So you may end up with some of these items, like let's say this is on hookedonpickin.com. You also might find some of these also in the mystery boxes. So a little of both. So
a lot of Halloween nails.
Yeah. Bunch of different things in this one. Just so many cutesy little things. All right, but this would be considered one item, is how we would count that one. So, all right.
More boxes.
More boxes. I'm trying to show you a variety of items so you kind of know what all we have. Super Beets.
I always think of Dwight Schrute.
Oh yes,
every time I hear Beets.
Because of the beet farm?
Yeah. He had a beet farm, right?
Yeah, he did have a beet farm, yes. Then we've got a copper knee sleeve. We've got some probiotic gummies, Nariva. We've got some no contact thermometer, stomach settle gummies, Tylenol extra strength.
That's good stuff.
Oh, now see, this one is still good. It's good for 2 more years.
Oh, 2028?
2028, yeah. So, you know, we've got some stuff like that. So, Bone Booster. What is this? Gerber rice cereal. Let's see. Yeah, that one's still good for another year. So, yeah, cod liver oil.
Cod liver oil.
There you go.
For all your cod liver oil needs.
Absolutely.
No idea what you use cod liver oil for.
I don't either. Leave in the comment section below what you use cod liver oil for.
Cod liver
I'm
oil.
just peeking so that I see that I have something different.
Is that a delivery?
That would be amazing if it was.
That would be amazing if that was a delivery.
Okay, we're on the lookout for one of our deliveries. All right, we've got some. Oh, these are awesome. My girls use these. These are great for travel. Makeup remover. And look at all these. These are for diabetics. Lots of these.
A lot of those. This would be in the expired one because it looks like it's been damaged, but everything is fine inside.
Yeah.
Looks like must have melted or something.
I don't know.
I don't know.
It's just it's like the paint printed wrong on the box is what it looks like.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. Okay, let's see what else we got.
So far, they've all been pretty much different.
Yeah.
That's Master Pack.
Yes, it is. Case. Oh my.
Are those light bulbs?
They are light bulbs.
I don't know. You probably don't want to put light bulbs in the HBA.
Probably not.
Yeah.
So what we do with these kind of things sometimes is we'll throw it, like it'll have 10 items and we're like, we'll throw an 11th or 12th item is what we do with these. But listen, I have 4 tiny ideas. Get it?
I get it now, and I'm happy.
Yes. My jokes are funny.
Yes, they are.
Ooh, look at those scissors. Those are amazing.
Yeah, scissors.
Thanks for laughing at me.
Well, you told me to.
Backup warning beeper.
Oh, everyone needs that.
Oh, biofreeze patches. Those are the best. These are more light bulbs. Kinder Med. Flex Seal. Okay, listen. This stuff works great.
It does.
I used it on a water heater that was leaking one time. We did. Paul just literally took it and was like,
mug out of that thing.
And that, listen, that water heater lasted us 10 more years.
We were broke. We were so broke. We had a leak in the water heater. We wrapped that sucker with electrical tape. We're doing everything.
And then we flex sealed it.
And I flex sealed that, and it held for
10 years.
Literally 10 years.
Yes. We currently have Flex Seal on the roof of this building because a branch punctured the roof when we were on vacation, and one of our handymen at church came over and fixed it for us while we were on vacation.
That stuff is as advertised.
Yes, because we have had 2 monsoon rainstorms since then with not a drop of water inside.
Yeah.
It's
so
awesome.
Flex Seal,
we endorse it.
You need to send us money, and we will endorse your product.
Zycam.
Actually, I guess we just
did it for free.
Did it for free. Oh well.
All right.
Ageless male.
Centrum for men. All right, so we got lots of stuff like that. All right, let's do one more box. Are you good with one more box?
Sounds good. While she's finding that one other box. Hey, remember the items. You get 5 items for $15, 10 items for $25, 15 items for $35, 20 items for $45. The more you buy, the more you save. That sounds like a slogan somebody had. Expired also, if you get 5 expired items, it's $7.50. 10 expired items is $12.50. 15 expired items is $17.50. 20 expired items, $22.50. They'll be sold as a mystery. Look at this fun stuff, Heather.
I know. We got CeraVive. We've got Retinol Pro. We've got Olay Total Effects. We've got
IB-Guard.
Imodium. We got, I think this is for nursing moms.
This is an awesome, ooh, the Aleve liquid gel. I take that stuff.
Paul said this works better than the regular
I think
pills.
It does.
Yeah.
I think it's a little faster.
Pregnancy test. So, what is skin therapy for your face, I think.
I need as much skin therapy as I can get.
Odor eaters powder. There's some teenagers that go to our church and eat that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I should bring this to camp with us.
You should bring that to camp.
Because our poor youth pastor doesn't know what a boy's cabin will smell like after a week.
Not yet. Well, he was a Marine.
That's true.
He is a Marine.
That's true.
I think he knows manly smells.
He does.
You don't get much manlier than the United States Marines.
Agreed.
Yeah.
So we've got that. Just so much cool stuff in here. What's this one? Pain relieving patch.
Cool.
So, Neutrogena. So many cool things. So if you would like one of these mystery boxes, you can go straight to hookedonpickin.com, go to the mystery box section. You'll see the health and beauty ones, and you'll be able to choose which size and for what price, and if you want expired or not. Like I said, we kind of gave you an idea of what we would put in them and making sure that you're always going to get a good value. The other option too is if you want an individual item, go ahead and look it up individually in the health and beauty section on Hooked on Pickin, or just in the search, look up that specific item. We may have it there individually, so you can buy it as a one-off individual item. Thanks so much for joining us on this unboxing, and shop to your heart's content. And of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins. All right. Hey, everybody. Do you remember Amy?
Hello.
The very first non-family member Hooked on Pickin employee. Really, she's the reason we just exploded, and we got to meet all of you guys. But what are you up to now?
Well, you've probably heard Paul. He often refers to me as Director Amy. So
yes.
I'm here to tell you what I'm directing. So I'm part of the Lifewise Academy in our school district. And so we're going to be offering character-based Bible education to public school students. And so we're super excited about that.
That's awesome. So basically it's learning the Bible during school hours, off school property, and privately funded.
And parent permitted.
And parent permitted. So they sign up. Basically, it's like an elective that they offer for the school. And if they opt into the elective, then they get to go to these Bible classes. And we're really, really excited that it's going to be an opportunity in our school district. And it is slowly spreading, throughout.
Very quickly spreading. It's crazy.
Yeah.
It started in Ohio, spreading throughout the whole country. And so we found for our district the best teacher possible and Heather. So she's going to be teaching the kids in our district about the Bible.
Yeah, so we're really excited. 2 of our elementary schools, so we have 2 different towns, and both of the elementary schools will have Lifewise Academy as an option, and I will be teaching those classes, and it's usually just once a week for various time frames based on how many kids we have, and so I'm really, really excited. I mean, I have a Bible college degree, and I just love kids, and the Bible has been influential in my life and just changing my life in general. And so we want to definitely give that opportunity to parents to allow their children to also have that. So what is needed for Lifewise Academy? Because I did mention that it is privately funded.
That's right. So we are looking for prayer support. More than anything else, we need you to pray. Pray for the kids, pray for the teacher, pray for our volunteers, pray for the families that this is going to impact, and for the schools. This program is essential for Bible education, character education, for the kids' mental health. We've seen lots and lots of statistics come out now about how awesome it's been for the children and for the families that are involved. And so we're looking for prayer support. Please be in prayer for Lifewise Academy. And we're also looking for financial support. We are raising funds. All the funds that we get go straight to the program. Everything we do is for the kids, and we got to raise all the money. So
yeah. It's not funded in any way by any like state or national program, and so it is.
And it's free for the kids, for the families that are participating. So.
Yeah, so the kids don't have to pay anything. All of the curriculum and supplies and all that stuff is provided by what we raise, and all of that. And so we will have a QR code.
Yes.
So where will the QR right here?
Here?
Sure, we'll put it right here, right between us. It's not there yet, and so we were pointing. And then if you don't know how to do the QR code, you just take your camera, you put a picture, and a link will pop up. You click that, it takes you straight to the funding page. If you're not comfortable with the QR code, you can send a check, and we do have a P.O. box that the check can go to.
That's P.O. Box 101, Trenton, Illinois, 62293.
Yes, 62293, yes. So it's the same exact zip code as Hooked on Pickin. And so again, that's P.O. Box 101, Trenton, Illinois, 62293. And you just literally, you can write it to Lifewise Academy or Amy Matthews, that's fine too.
You can also, so what I do is I'll screenshot wherever that QR code is, and then you can just kind of upload it on Google Chrome if you have that on your phone or whatever, and it'll take you straight to that website.
That's awesome. So so we're really excited to be able to offer this opportunity, and if you have any other questions, you can always send them to Hooked on Pickin. I can always forward questions to Amy and stuff like that. But
I love to answer questions about Lifewise.
She does. She's very excited. And so now, from being part of the Hooked on Pickin family to now directing this, and I'm now a part of her board family, and being able to participate in Lifewise, it's kind of come full circle. So we're really excited about this and hope that you can give prayer support and also give financial support. So thanks so much for listening to us talk about what Amy is now up to. Thanks so much. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.